Z28 RS with the 396.
All the RSs, remember they had the Raleigh Sports were hideaway headlights?
Ah, I do remember that.
Yep, they were hideaway headlights on the Raleigh Sports. The SS
on the 68?
On the 68. Yep.
Okay.
We did the VIN search on it.
Yep.
One or two things happened. Somebody that worked at Norwood in Ohio, the Norwood plant, built it for themselves on the line, or it was a special order. It was originally from the factory as Matador Red.
Really? Mm-hmm. And so what is this color that you have? What do they call this one?
This right here is aqua gray green. But
aqua gray. Oh, I see that.
Somebody stole the hood off of it, so I replaced the hood, and when they painted it, two different colors. So the whole car is getting painted.
I barely see it.
Yeah, gunmetal gray. This in August, gunmetal gray.
You're right. I can't.
It's not, don't get me wrong. The fabric is not original. This is the original color it came from the factory.
Right.
The houndstooth.
Yep. Hounds. Yep. I'm a former recovering upholsterer.
Oh, okay.
So I've never worked on a Camaro, but.
Yep.
Wow, man, you got the 8-track, bro.
Yeah. That's the 8-track from the factory. That's in it.
That's awesome, man.
Radio, I put in
and what do you got? What do you got with Steely Dan?
Huh? What, the tape?
Yeah.
No, the tape is Aretha.
Aretha?
Aretha Franklin's greatest hit.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, this is too nut. Oh.
The original 396.
I'm gonna go get some lunch and eat right off the block here. That's pretty. All right, you can
Camaro, I ran over my neighbors. Camaro, now I'm in all the papers. My folks bought me a Camaro with no insurance to match. So if I happen to run you down,